The Gift of the Nile extension activities. Choose one of the following activities to complete. Type the answer in the gray box below. Number 1. Choice 1. Who was Menes? What did he do? Look on the internet or at the library to find out. Choice 2. While the Great Pyramid at Giza was originally 481 feet tall, it is now only about 451 feet tall. Look on the internet or at the library to find out why the pyramid is 30 feet shorter than when it was built. And choice 3. Because building the pyramids seems impossible due to the limited technology ancient Egyptians had, some people say that aliens built the pyramids. What do you think of this theory? Look on the internet for more information. Remember, you're only choosing one question.